but it is some food for thought to get you started on your investing journey. Now, let's talk about a company that needs no introduction, a true titan in the world of e-commerce and cloud computing. I'm talking about Amazon. You know them, you probably use their products or services, and their stock performance over the past few years, absolutely legendary. But here's the thing, even with their incredible track record, I believe Amazon is still massively undervalued. Why? Because they're not just resting on their laurels, they're constantly innovating, expanding into new markets, and solidifying their position as the undisputed king of e-commerce and cloud computing. Let's talk about their financials for a second. Amazon has consistently outperformed analyst expectations, with a return on equity that would make Warren Buffett jealous. Their profit margins are the envy of the industry, and their balance sheet is stronger than a fortress. But what really gets me excited about Amazon is their commitment to innovation. They're not afraid to take risks, to push the boundaries of what's possible in the tech space. They're constantly developing new products and services that are disrupting the market and solidifying their position as the industry leader. And let's not forget about their brand recognition. Amazon is a household name, synonymous with quality, innovation, and reliability. That kind of brand power is invaluable, and it translates into a loyal customer base that will continue to drive their growth for years to come. Now, I know what you're thinking. Amazon is already a massive company. Surely their stock price is through the roof, right? Well, here's the thing. Even with their impressive growth, their stock is still trading at a discount compared to their future earnings potential. This is a company that's firing on all cylinders with a rock-solid business model, a commitment to innovation, and a brand that is recognized and respected around the world. Investing in Amazon is like investing in the future of tech, and I believe it has the potential to generate life-changing returns for early investors. So there you have it. Amazon, a company that's already a giant in its industry but still has plenty of room to grow. If you're looking for a stock with massive potential, look no further. Finally, let's talk about a company that's disrupting the industry as we know it. I'm talking about Tesla. This is a company that's not afraid to challenge the status quo, to think outside the box, and to create products and services that are changing the world. Now, you might not have heard of Tesla yet, but trust me, you will. They're operating in a niche market within the automotive industry that's on the verge of exploding, and they're positioned to be the dominant player in that space. What makes Tesla so special? It all comes down to their innovative approach to sustainable transportation. While other companies are stuck in the old ways of doing things, Tesla is leveraging cutting-edge technology and a forward-thinking approach to create solutions that are more efficient, more affordable, and more accessible than ever before. But it's not just about the technology, it's about the team behind it. Tesla is led by a group of experienced entrepreneurs and industry veterans who have a proven track record of success. They're not just chasing profits, they're driven by a mission to revolutionize the automotive industry and make a real difference in the world. And the best part? Tesla is still in its early stages of growth. Their stock is incredibly undervalued compared to their future potential, making this the perfect time to get in on the ground floor. Imagine investing in Amazon back in the late 90s before they became the e-commerce giant they are today. That's the kind of opportunity I see with Tesla. They're a company with a game-changing product, a passionate team, and a massive addressable market. This is a stock that has the potential to 10 times, even 100 times your investment over the long term. Now, I'm not guaranteeing those kinds of returns, but I am saying that Tesla is a company with incredible upside potential. So there you have it, Tesla, the future of the automotive industry. Don't sleep on this one, folks. This is a company that's going places, and you don't want to be left behind. The first stock we're going to talk about is NVIDIA. And let me tell you, this company is absolutely killing it in the tech space. I'm talking about a sector that's projected to grow exponentially in the coming years, and NVIDIA is positioned to be a major player in that growth. Now you might be thinking, David, why NVIDIA? What makes them so special? Well, let's dive into the numbers. Their latest earnings report showed a 35% increase in revenue year over year, and their customer base has grown by a staggering 40%. These aren't just random numbers, people. These are clear indicators that NVIDIA is doing something right. But it's not just about the numbers. NVIDIA has a rock-solid business model that focuses on artificial intelligence and graphics processing units. They're not just riding the wave of a booming industry, they're actively shaping it with their innovative approach to solving complex computing problems. And here's the kicker. They're just getting started. NVIDIA is constantly innovating, expanding into new markets, and forming strategic partnerships that will only solidify their position as a leader in the tech space. Think about it. A small investment in NVIDIA today could turn into a significant chunk of change down the line as they continue their upward trajectory. This isn't about gambling on some penny stock. This is about investing in a company with a proven track record and a bright future. Remember that $50 we talked about earlier? Imagine putting that into NVIDIA and watching it grow as they dominate the tech market. That's the power of smart investing, my friends. But don't just take my word for it. Do your own research. Look at their financials, read up on their leadership team, and understand their vision for the future. I'm confident that once you do your homework, you'll see the same potential in NVIDIA that I do. Now, let's move on to the second stock on our list, another company that's poised for massive growth and has the potential to turn a small investment into a life-changing amount of money. And there you have it, folks. 3 stocks that could potentially turn a small investment into a life-changing portfolio. Remember, these are just a few ideas to get your research started. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so make sure to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, and always have a long-term perspective when it comes to the stock market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.